Hello everybody, Mr. C from Dudley Performing Arts with my assistant Boris here. Okay, so today we're moving on to minor chords. Okay, minor chords. It's another type of a chord. We did power chords last time. Minor chords are sad. Have a listen. Don't cry.
I think it's funny.
Okay, so yeah, minor chords are generally sad sounding chords. Major chords are the happy ones. Anyway, so yeah, quiet. Right, so today we're going to concentrate on E minor and A minor. The first thing I want you to do is, with your left hand, do the rock sign. Okay. Now, if you notice, your first finger is in the air, your little finger is in the air. Now, the two fingers that you haven't got in the air, I want you to make sure you use these two, your second and your third finger. Okay? Now, get these two fingers. You put the middle finger, your second finger, on the second fret of the fifth string. So climb up to the fifth string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Yeah. And then your third finger, your ring finger, put it on the fourth string, also in the second fret. Okay? There we go. You see that, everybody? So two fingers in the second fret, one on string 5, one on string 4. Make sure only the fingertips of those fingers are touching the strings and your thumb is nice and low on the back of the neck. You stick your wrist out so you're not touching any part of the neck with your hand here, otherwise you'll be cutting off the bottom string. Okay, now with your plectrum you strum all 6 strings. Okay, and it should sound like this. Very nice. Okay, now have a little practice. Pause the video. Quiet please, Darcy. Pause the video. Do what you need to do. Make sure your fingers are nicely curled over and you're pressing down firmly. You want to be able to hear 6 clear notes like this. Okay, if some of those notes aren't heard, okay, then have a look why. It's mainly because your finger might be catching the string or you're not pressing down hard enough. Okay, pause the video, do the same. Great. Okay, now you're back. Now I want you to do some call and response. Get that E minor, get the fingers on E minor, copy me. You ready, Darcy? I'm going to strum a rhythm, you copy it back. My turn, your turn. You can play. Go! Brilliant. Okay, stop there. Now, we're going to go to A minor. Now, A minor, it's very easy as long as you follow these instructions. Your two fingers are on E minor. Step number 1, drop down a string. So your two fingers now are still in the second fret, but on strings 4 and 3. So you've just dropped down a string. Now, this is why it's important to use the right fingers for E minor. For A minor, you should have this finger. Wiggle your first finger. That's it. You've got that spare because you need that for A minor. And you're going to put it on the first fret, but on the second string. So not the bottom string, the next one up. The final step is you do not strum the top string, okay? You do not strum the top string. So it's only 5 strings, okay? So A minor should sound like this. Okay? That's it. Very nice. Okay, good stuff. So have a little practice, pause the video, make sure your fingers are nicely curled over, you're pressing down firmly and you're only strumming 5 strings, okay? Come back when you're ready. They're back. Right, here we go. Let's do some call and response on A minor. Here we go, copy me. So I'm going to play and then you guys at home play with Darcy. Right, me first. Okay, you can always rewind the video, be quite pleased. You can always rewind the video and do what you need to do and practice and so on. Okay, now we're going to have a little game. We are going to improve and speed up our chord changes, okay? But we have to do this after practice. Just pop your guitar down a second, please. So this is what we're going to do. You are going to stop the video and you're going to do some silent practice for maybe 30 seconds to a minute. And all you're going to do is you're going to concentrate on your left hand and you're going to go from the E minor shape down to the A minor shape. And I want you to do this in slow motion so that your fingers go to the correct strings straight away, okay? If you move too fast, you might go to the wrong string and then you have to spend time correcting it and so on. So make sure you do it nice and slowly so your fingers go to the right strings and the right frets for the first time, okay? And if they're still going wrong, they need to stop, slow it down and take a little bit more time. And eventually, if you keep doing that silent practice, little bursts, like 30-second blasts of silent practice, you will speed it up, okay? Yes. So the way to speed up your chord changes is to do it in slow motion first. Seems a bit weird, but that's what you do. Yes. Okay. Right, get on E minor. I am going to strum 4 times, okay? And you are going to join me, okay? And then I'm going to count 4 beats rest, and that gives you 4 beats to change to A minor, and then you strum A minor 4 times, okay? Are you listening? So I'm going to count you in. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, then A minor. Change 1, 2, 3, back to E minor, and so on. Okay, listen. So quiet. I will count us in. We'll strum E minor 4 times, and then we're going to stop. Then you have 4 beats rest to change to A minor, and then strum A minor 4 times, and so on, back and forth. So basically, you've got 4 beats to change to the next chord. Right, here we go. E minor first. Here we go. Okay, after 4.
I keep wobbling.
1, 2, 3, 4. Change 1, 2, 3, 4. Change 1, 2, 3, E minor. Change 1, 2, 3, A minor. Change 1, 2, 3, E minor. Change 1, 2, 3, 4. And stop. Okay, now listen.
Ow.
If you found that tricky, all you need to do is stop the video and do some more silent practice, slow motion, and it will gradually get faster. Okay, I'm going to skip ahead now. Next challenge. You have only 2 beats to change chords, okay? We're still going to strum 4 times, but now you've only got 2 beats to change to the next chord. Right, here we go. Ready? Still strum 4 times, okay? But only 2 beats rest to change to the next chord. So you've got to change faster. Here we go. Don't panic though, yeah? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change 1, 2. 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 And stop. Brilliant. Okay. If you found that tricky, stop. Do some silent practice. You know, you don't have to do this over one day. You can spend, every day, a few minutes every day practicing over the week. And, this takes time, and make sure you dedicate enough time at home to practicing regularly. Don't just do like 5 minutes and then leave it for a month. Yeah? You're listening? This is advice for you as well. Okay. She's 6, by the way. So if she can do it, you guys can do it. Right. Final challenge. No beats. You got to just go straight from E minor to A minor, E minor, A minor, and so on. Okay, here we go. Just keep strumming, so don't stop strumming. Here we go. You ready? After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change A minor. Change E minor. Change A minor. Change. 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 Okay, that was just a bit of a laugh at the end. But yeah, listen, little bit of silent practice. Obviously, when you're comfortable with that, start strumming it as well. That will help you speed it up. Well done. Did you enjoy that? Yeah?
I
Good.
love it!
Bye.
Bye.